Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. So now we are moving to next job 27. Job role will be Connect Writer, Expono, company name, job location Bangalore, requirement any graduate is okay, salary 3 to 3.5 lakh per annum, to contact pooja.shukal. Okay, so you can directly connect to this email ID. Now we are moving to job number 28. So job number 28, job role will be customer support semi voice process. So company Convenient India, job location Bangalore, freshest to 2 years of experience, up to 3 lakh per annum they are offering the salary, 3 lakh to 4 lakhs. To apply you can connect to Dhanalakshmi M. So we have given mobile number and email ID as well as. Job number 29, job role data engineer, company name consultant company, location Bangalore, requirement 5+ years of experience, up to 10 lakh salary they are offering, and you can directly connect to this provided email ID. Job number 30, role data science analyst, company Infogain, location Bangalore, experience 6 to 8 years of experience they are looking, and salary they are offering up to 15 lakhs. So you can directly connect to neha.saluja. So she is the HR. So now we are moving to job number 31. Job number 31, job role data engineer, company name IT, job location Bangalore, requirement 5 to 7 years, salary up to 12 lakh per annum. So you can directly connect to Kalyani. We have provided the email ID. Okay friends.